Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to save a checklist as a template on ClickUp. So you want to open up the task that contains the checklist. In this case, is create a video and scroll down to where you find the checklist, right? So here you can see that I have the checklist. Now to save this as a template, you want to look towards the right hand side of the title of the checklist. Click the three dots there and here you will find save as template. Click on that and from here you can give it name. So I'm going to say create YouTube video, for example. Let's say that's it. I'm going to leave it as is for the share to all members and click and save right there. And as you can see here, that is now a template. So at any point in time, I want to create a checklist again, I can always go ahead and use a from template. So if you look below here, you can see right now that there I can create a new checklist. And if I say use template, I can click there and I'll be able to find that template that I create and just select it, then click use and it's going to embed right away there. And that's pretty much it, guys.